This is the BusinessMan Graphical Scheduler. In resource mode, which we select using the resource radio button, it schedules events which it displays in the form of a calendar. These events can have allocated resource, which can be living, for example, engineers, or non-living, for example, vehicles, plant, or facilities. The scheduled event can be a call-out, vehicle servicing, holidays, or any other pre-planned job or task. To schedule an event, we select the Clear Radio button in the Select Resources section, and then click and drag in one motion whilst inside the desired date or time box. This brings up a dialog box asking if you want to create a schedule. Once we click OK, the Edit Event box pops up and allows you to enter details about the event, such as start and finish times, event description, any resources that we may need, and allows us to select the type of event we want to schedule. Once we click OK, the event appears in the resource schedule, and hovering over the event shows its details. We can view our schedule over several time frames: daily, weekly, monthly, and annually, or as a timeline showing all resources, which allows you to select between several time periods. By selecting Resource on the navigation panel, we can view what our resources are doing on any particular date. We can change that date by using the arrows either side of the Current Date button. We can also filter the schedule using the Select Resources radio button to toggle between events with or without allocated resources. In addition, we can see what events are scheduled for a particular resource by clicking on the white box beneath the radio buttons. This opens a current filter box, allowing you to select a particular resource, in this case, Tom Jones. Now we can see scheduled events where he is an allocated resource. We can also view all of our scheduled jobs or tasks in our graphical scheduler by selecting the Jobs radio button and then clearing the filters by selecting Clear. We can see all of the jobs scheduled that day, week, month, or year, allowing us to allocate our resources to best suit each task or job. As you can see, all of the events in this schedule have job numbers associated with them. A double click on any job brings up the Edit Event control panel, and this shows us the details of the job selected and allows us to add resources and make changes. You can open a job from the Edit Event control panel by clicking on the Open Job button. This will then open the Jobs Detail section in BusinessMan, and this is confirmed by the notification at the bottom of the display. The jobs shown can be created from a sales order, a build for stock request, or as callouts in the maintenance screen, and non-specific jobs can be built in the Job Details section. You can reschedule a job by simply dragging and dropping the job flag into a different date box. Here we can see that the job is initially scheduled for the 6th of the month. Dragging it to the 19th, we can see that the dates have been updated, but all other details remain unchanged. In the left-hand column, we can also see jobs that require scheduling. To schedule them, we simply drag the job into the appropriate date box. This can be done for jobs with or without scheduled resources.